Liwan-liwanag eh.
Hindi na tuloy makita yung mga birds.
Pwede pa yan. Ilawan natin. Hi girls. Want to see birds, dude?
I got gravel in my shoe.
Oh no, that's a big problem. Are you sure it's gravel? It's not. Barbecue.
Barbecue. Ito ba sa usawa nito?
Oo, kahit alin.
Wala, masarap lang. Mama lang. Ayun, alam mo ng Adidas.
Adidas na.
Edited.
Ay, teka dito. Si Scotty, hindi pa, no? Napalagay yun, no?
Pregnant? Pregnant?
Yes. How did you know?
Oh.
Hindi ba kayo kumain doon? Kaya nga, hindi ka kayo ngayon.
Oh. Oh. Daddy, hindi na nga ako yung t-shirt nakalagay lang.
Ayun. Andun.
May yellow!
Andun na.
Dali, kumain na kayo para doon kayo.
Sarap na. Walang spirito.
Parang hindi naubusan ng storage. Nag-rent ka ba sa...
The box, all the mommies in front. Dito, oh, dito kayo. Oh. You want? Oh, Pops, come here.
Michael, picture. Wait, 1, 2, 3. Oy, go out na.
Oh, I thought
You're leaving na.
Are you videoing us?
No. Yes.
Spumelo. Bye! Meron pang take home, oh. Did you say bye-bye?
Bye, Faith.
Bye. Thank you.
Paalam.
I don't know why I'm still bringing this.
I like it.
Yep.
Paalam.
We'll see each other again.
Bye-bye, bukas.
At tomorrow?
Hindi, kami lang ni Ellis.